I'm going to teach you everything about cutting videos and layers in just 1 minute. Let's get started. So I have this video here from Pexels, and let's say you want to cut your video from here. All you have to do is press CTRL+SHIFT+D or Command+Shift+D if you're on a Mac. And now my video is split into 2 layers. Now if I want to trim my video, let's say I only want the scenes after this point, all I have to do is press the Alt and left square bracket, and now the scenes beyond this point are deleted. Also, if I want my video to end here and I don't like the scenes after this point, press the Alt and right square bracket. Now if I want my video to start from here, press only the left square bracket, and now the video has moved to the right. And if I want it to end here, press only the right square bracket, and now the video moved to the left. So now I like the position of my layer between time indicator 1 and time indicator 2, but I don't like this particular scene and I want to change only the scene. So what I have to do is click on this pen behind tool, and now you can actually slip your video with it still being between indicator 1 and indicator 2. So that's all. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like or a subscribe, and talk to you soon. Bye.